Oh my god, guys, look at my eyebrows. Like, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing an experiment and I'm going to be growing my eyebrows out for one entire month. That means no threading and no plucking, and also I'm going to be using coconut and castor oil on my eyebrows every single night to help them grow their longest ever in the 1 month. But before I move into the video, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscription box below so you never miss a video from me, and also hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. I upload beauty videos, I upload health videos, all sorts of stuff. So make sure you do subscribe, and also hit that thumbs up button and tell me in the comments what beauty experiment you would like me to try next. I want to do eyelash extensions next, but obviously I will listen to you guys, and I'm gonna jump straight into it. So the reason I got this idea is because a couple of years ago I used to use castor oil on my eyelashes and eyebrows to grow them out, and recently what happened was I accidentally just removed some hair from here, and I feel like my eyebrows are looking a bit empty from the fronts. So my eyebrows are freshly threaded, and the way I get them threaded is I get a square shape right at the front, I get my monobrow removed, and I get all this hair removed up here. I used to do them at home, but for the purpose of this video I did go to a salon to get them professionally done so you guys can see the difference of my eyebrows. The other thing is I don't get this line created. I just leave them quite natural. So any excess hair I do get it removed, but I don't get like an extra layer of hair removed, and that is for religion purposes. But you can see that it's quite clean, there's no hair there, and I'm just gonna show you how long my eyebrows actually are. They're really short right now because they're freshly done. So I'm expecting to look like a cave woman by the end of the 4 weeks. I will keep you guys updated every single week, and I have used castor oil and coconut oil before on my eyelashes and all, so I know it works like crazy. I do have an event coming up in a couple of weeks, so I know I'm going to be tempted to thread my eyebrows before the event, but let's see how it goes. So what I actually have done is I've just gotten my contact lens case, and I've just put half of castor oil and half of coconut oil. I've got my eye cream in the other slot in here, which the recipe I haven't actually shared yet, so that's in the other one. So this is actually really cool because I just keep it in my bathroom and I use it every single night, and I'm super excited, guys. Make sure you watch till the very end because the results I know are gonna be insane, and let's move right into it. Hi guys, this is me just checking in on week 1. I have had such a long day today, but I was like, I have to make this video. That's why I sound so tired. I've just had a really long day. I've been out in the city all day walking, but I thought I'd give you guys an update on my eyebrows. My eyebrows still look quite clean. No monobrow, still really clean. You know, the really freshly threaded look. It's still there, it looks really good. The only place where I feel like my eyebrows are a little bit thicker in the middle over here, just the middle of the hair, and I'm actually quite happy that my eyebrows are growing from there because for a while I've had not sparse, but it's just been a bit empty. And so when I do fill in my eyebrows, if I fill them in, I actually just fill them in right there, that's it. So I'm really happy that it's actually growing so quickly. I'm surprised at how quickly it's grown in a week. So I'm really happy with that. Underneath my brows I don't see any hairs yet, but just the tiniest bit of hair is just here and over here. So really happy with it. Nothing too crazy. I think this is my normal growth plus a little bit more. And one more thing is my eyebrows look so shiny. The hair is so moisturized from the oils that yeah, it just feels really shiny. So this is me checking in on week 1. I've got 3 more weeks to go. I'm kind of scared, but I'm also really excited because if in the end I get crazy brows, it will just be so much fun getting them done again. So yeah, this is me on week 1. Hey guys, I'm just updating you guys on my eyebrows. It is the second week of me doing coconut and castor oil in my eyebrows, and I've got a tiny bit of product like right there, but I can already tell that my eyebrows have grown so much in the past 2 weeks. And like generally I used to go get them threaded every 2 weeks because it was pretty much my full growth, so I can already see that they're looking really huge. Thank God I don't have a monobrow or anything like that. Like that hair, this hair grows a bit late, but I can already see the hair over here grow out, and my eyebrows just look a little bit fuller. It's not like a huge difference. Like I thought my eyebrows were gonna start growing like crazy. It's not like that yet, but they definitely did grow a lot. So I've got a lot of growth here which I can see, but it's not like that much that I have to actually go to the salon straight away. Sometimes you know, like every 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks I have to go get my eyebrows threaded anyways, but the growth looks good. My hair has grown a little bit from here, and now I will see you guys in week 3. Oh my god guys, look at my eyebrows. Like I am forming a solid monobrow right now. It is only week 3 of this challenge, and I just want to go and shave this monobrow off. Like I have an event to go to tomorrow, and I don't want to turn up looking like a cave woman, but I actually do. I'm gonna zoom you guys in on how my eyebrows are looking just from my magic potion, and I can see that they're actually growing like right there. So can you see that all this hair is growing there? It's grown a bit there, and my eyebrows down here are growing really well. I actually cheated yesterday. Not cheated, like I mean I set myself back. I actually chopped a little bit off there because I wanted it to look a little bit polished, and I was going to a YouTube event yesterday, and I just couldn't stand it anymore. Like I'm not used to having like huge eyebrows, but this serum is going like crazy, and it's making my hair grow like crazy. So this is my week 3 results. I've got another week to go. Let's see what happens. It might look absolutely crazy and I might look like a cave woman, but that's okay. All in the name of beauty. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Guys, it is week 4, and are you guys ready for the reveal of my eyebrows? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, like are you guys looking at this? Like what's happened over here? The eyebrow situation has gone wild. I officially feel like a cave woman. I'm gonna brush these out and show you guys how they look. They look like something else. Like, oh my god, I went to a party last week and I was so embarrassed. I was like, excuse my eyebrows guys, but funny thing is everyone was like, they look really good. So I've decided to keep them thick. I'm gonna go to the salon tomorrow, and I'm just gonna get her to shape them but not like trim the size as much. I don't know why this eyebrow doesn't feel as big as this eyebrow, but guys, this is my eyebrows of applying coconut oil and castor oil on my eyebrows for 30 days straight. And if this isn't crazy, then I don't know what is crazy. They're gonna look really good when I get them threaded now. And that is it guys. That was my experiment of applying castor oil and coconut oil on my eyebrows for 30 days. I cannot believe I did this because I'm such a hairy person, so doing this is like making it worse for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription box below, and I want you guys to tell me what trend you want me to try next. I want to apply toothpaste to my face. I want to like do weird stuff, so please tell me in the comment section below of what you want me to try. I would definitely try it for you guys because I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.